Stop wasting time searching for games. Here is how to set up multi-view in 3 steps. I'm Roberto from One Click Guides. Today we're cutting the cord on NFL games and getting you the best seat in the house. Step 1. Choose your streaming service. For the full NFL experience, YouTube TV with Sunday Ticket is the gold standard. You can also use Hulu plus Live TV, Fubo, or Peacock for specific games, but Sunday Ticket gives you everything. Open your smart TV's app store and search for your chosen service. We'll use YouTube TV for this guide. Step 2. Install and authenticate. This is where most people get stuck, but it's simple. Hit install. Once it's finished, launch the app. You'll need to sign in using your account credentials. If you're using a mobile device for activation, enter the code shown on your TV screen at the provided URL. Step 3. Configure your view. This is how you watch 4 games at once. Navigate to the Sports tab. You'll see the current NFL matchups listed under the Sunday Ticket section. Select a game and choose Watch in Multi-View. This opens up the split-screen dashboard. You can customize which games appear in each quadrant. Just use your remote to highlight a window and hit Select. Remember, a stable internet connection is key for streaming 4K games without lag. Check your speed settings in the app menu. If you run into activation issues, call the official support line at 833-389-2054. Always avoid unofficial recovery apps. It's that simple. One click and you're in the game. No cable box, no contracts, just football. I'm Roberto. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more one-click guides to your favorite tech.